Ma'am,
I will be back, ma'am.
okay. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children. We were discussing about the division of a decimal by a whole number, isn't it? Division of a decimal by a
2.7.
exercise 2.7. Decimal by a whole number, and I hope I have given you some homework based on that in the previous class. Okay, I'll ask you, Alicia, can you tell me what is the first one? First question, that is, I'll call you 0.4 divided by 2. Alicia, what is the answer you get?
0.2.
0.2 is the answer. Let us check. 4 divide, simply divide. What is the step? Simply divide the number by the denominator. So it simply divide the decimal as a whole number by the denominator. So 2, 2s are 4, 0 balance. So you got 2 as answer. How many decimal place? Only 1 decimal place. So in the answer also 1 decimal place should come. See, 1 decimal place. Okay. Okay. Next question. It is next one. You answer. Rihan S. Rafiq. Rihan S. Rafiq can answer the next one. 0.35. 0.35 divided by 5. What is the answer?
Answer is 0.07.
0.07 is your answer. 0.07. Let us check whether this answer is correct. What is the first step, Rafiq? Rihan?
Ma'am, 0.
No, wait. Rihan, what is the first? What is the step? Tell me, how did you do it?
Ma'am, I do it. Ma'am, here.
Rihan S. Rafiq, you told me 0.07 is the answer.
Ma'am,
So
there is
how
no
did you get
zero.
it? How did you get it?
Ma'am,
What we have
0.7.
to do first? What is the step?
We have to divide.
We have to simply divide the number
There
as
is no
whole
extra
number. So
zeros.
35 divided by 5. 5
7.
sevens are 35.
So,
So we get 7
point,
as answer. 7 as
0.7.
answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes,
So
yes.
how many decimal points? 2
2.
decimal points.
2.
2 decimal. So answer also should contain 2 decimal.
0.07.
0.07. So you can
Yes,
add
ma'am.
0.07. This is the way.
Yes, ma'am.
So Rihan, you have done in calculator?
Yes, ma'am. I done it. My correct.
Ma'am, I done it, but that problem.
You should tell me what is the method. Anybody can do it in calculator, but I'm asking you how to do it manually. Isn't it? That is why we are learning this. Without calculator, how to do the calculations. So you should know the method. I'm asking you the method, not the answer. Answer I can get by calculating it in calculator, isn't it? Yes, next question, Fatima Nehrin, 2.48 divided by 4.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.62.
0.62, isn't it?
Ma'am, I got, ma'am. I got.
Okay. See, is it your answer? 0.62 is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us check. Listen, 2.48, so 248 divided by 4. Simply divide as whole numbers. 4 6 times in 24. You can take the first 2 digits, you can take like that without putting 0. Actually, this 2 is not divisible by 4. But if you put a 0 also, it doesn't make any change. Okay. Okay, so we will take these 2 numbers, you can take together, no problem. So we can avoid the 0. 4 into 6, 24,
0.6.
subtract, then 8. So 4, how many times? 2 times in 8. So we get 62
Ma'am,
as answer.
0.62.
Now, how many decimal places? 2
1.
decimal places.
2 decimal
in the
places.
question. So point. We can write 0.62 as answer. Correct. This answer is correct. Okay. Next question. Safwan. Mohammed Safwan.
Yes, yes.
Yes. The question to you is 65. Oh, what is this? Question to you is 651.2 divided by 4.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
651.2 divided by 4. Safwan, you have not done the homework. That's why you are taking this
No,
much
ma'am.
time.
I done. I am checking.
By this time, you can do it. Huh? By
Ma'am,
this,
ma'am.
what is the answer?
The answer is 163.
163.
63. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abel, what is the answer, Abel Jofi?
Ma'am, 162.8.
162.8. That is your answer, isn't it? Let us check whether this answer is correct. So what is the first step? 651,
651.
2, isn't it? Simply divide like whole number. 6,512 divided by 4. Okay, so first two digits we can take, or first one digit you can take. 4 ones are 4, then balance 2, 5 you bring down. So 25. How many times 4 in 25? 6 times. 6 times 24. Then balance 1, bring down this one. So 11. 4 how many times in 11? Maximum 4 to 8, isn't it? 8 times. Now 3 balance, isn't it? 3 balance. So we have 3 here balance. Now what is to be brought down? 2, isn't it? 2 we brought down. So 4 8s are 32.
8 times. Oh, yes, ma'am.
8 times. So we got 1628 as answer. Now how many decimal points are there in the question? 1.
I'm 1.
Decimal places, not points. Decimal places in the question. 1. So point will put here so that only one decimal place is in the answer. Clear? Okay, that is the answer. Now next one. Next question, it is to name, tell me the answer for this question. 3.96 divided by 4. 3.96 divided by 4.
Ma'am, 0.99.
Answer is 0.99.
99.
Okay, let us check whether this answer is correct or not. 396 divided by 4. Isn't it? 4 maximum. 2 digits you can take. 4 how many times in 39? 4 into
4 into 4 into 9.
9. 9. So 36 you will get. Remainder 3. Bring down 6. 36. 4 9 times. 36 you will get 0. So answer is 99. How many decimal points are there in the question?
Ma'am, 0.99.
2. So we can put a decimal place here so that in the answer also 2 decimal places are there. So 0.99 is the answer. Now last question. Last question goes to Nihal Mustafa. That is this one.
Ma'am, 0.80 divided by 5, right?
Yes, last one. Last one is 0.80 divided by 5. What is the answer?
0.16.
How much?
0.16.
0.16. Okay,
Ma'am,
let us check.
0.16.
16. 80 divided by 5. You know it is 5 ones are 5. Balance 336 and it is. So you will get 16 as answer. How many decimal points in the question?
2.
2 decimal places. Decimal places, not decimal points. If
0.60.
decimal places, 2 decimal places. So in the answer also 2 decimal place should come. You can put a 0 before. That is in the whole number part, it is 0. So we put 0 in the whole number part. Okay, whole part. And the integral part, 2 decimal places are there. So answer is 0.16. Clear, children? So,
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me. Now, you know how to divide a decimal number or a decimal by a whole number or a natural number, isn't it? 0 if you are not attaching, 0 if you are not taking, it is a natural number. So, you know how to divide a decimal by a natural number without using calculator. Okay. Now, next topic is how to divide a decimal by another decimal. Children, what is it? How to divide a decimal by another decimal. See, listen carefully. Don't go for any other business now or writing now. Listen to me. This is a very simple thing. You know how to divide a decimal by a whole number now, no? So, if you want to divide a decimal by another decimal, what we do is, we remove the decimal place in the denominator or the divisor and make it a whole number. What we do? We remove the decimal points in the divisor. Divisor is the problem now. Divisor is not a whole number. With a whole number, you know how to divide, no? So what we do? We will make it a whole number. We will make the divisor a whole number. Clear? So let us check how it is. So write the heading, division of a decimal by another decimal. Another decimal. Division of a decimal by another decimal. For example, we can take one number. .25 divided by 0.5. This is the question. Children, now listen carefully. Don't go for writing. Write the heading and stop. Okay, listen to me. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now tell me, which is the divisor here?
M5.
This is the divisor, isn't it? Our, you know how to divide a decimal by a whole number. So if this is a whole number, it is easy for you to divide. So what we are going to do is, we are going to make this 0.5 a whole number. How to make it a whole number? We have to remove this decimal place, isn't it? Decimal point from there. So I will, how many decimal places are there in the question now? Denominator. One. Only in the denominator. How many decimal place? Only one decimal place in the denominator. So with the 10, I will multiply. If it was 0.55, with what number I will multiply to remove the decimal place? By 100. If it was 0.555, with what number I will multiply? With 1000. Because when I multiply by 10, this point will jump in front and it will become 5.0. If I multiply this 0.55 with 100, 1, 2. For 2 zeros, it will jump forward and it will become 555.0. And here, if I multiply by 1000, 1, 2, 3 points, it will jump and it will become a whole number, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Now it became a whole number or a natural number. It became a natural number. So like this, we remove the decimal point by simply dividing the denominator by 10, 100 or 1000 according to the decimal places given in the denominator. Understood? But if you simply divide denominator like this alone, the whole value of the fraction will change, isn't it? The whole value will change. The value of the question given is changed. Can you change the value of the number like that? It is not allowed. So what we do? With which number you are multiplying the denominator? With the same number, you will multiply the numerator also. Isn't it? We will multiply the numerator also with the same number with which you are dividing the denominator. So our question now, it is 3.25 divided by 0.5. So I am going to multiply this with 10. Why? I want to remove one decimal place. So if I am multiplying denominator by 10, I will multiply numerator also by 10. So that there is no change in the number. No, I am multiplying by what? 10 by 10 means what? 1. Isn't it? 10 by 10 means what? It is equal to multiplying by 1. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
10 by 10 means it is 1. 100 by 100 means also it is 1. 1000 by 1000 also 1. So there is no change in this number if I am multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 crore. Isn't it? Huh? So with which number you are multiplying the denominator? With the same number you will multiply the numerator also. And what will you get here? When you multiply by 10, this decimal place will jump to the right. Multiplication. Multiplication, it will jump to the right. 32.5 divided by this one. It will be
5.
So now you know to divide, no? Now you know to divide.
Ma'am,
Division by a
605.
whole number. Division of a
605.
decimal by a whole number. So now
605.
this is our problem now. Now
Ma'am,
simply divide by
605.
whole number.
6.
Wait. So we will divide as usual. 5 how many times in 6 times?
6 times.
Subtract.
2
So
balance.
5 times.
5 times.
25. Okay. So we
The
got
answer is-
65 as answer. 65. Now how will you put the decimal place according to this? How many decimal places?
6.5, ma'am. 6.5.
So only one decimal place, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So only 132.5. So only one decimal place in the answer also. One decimal place should come. So this is your answer, 6.5. Understood how to do? So
Yes, ma'am.
whatever
Yes,
decimal
ma'am.
is
Can you give
given,
one more problem?
decimal is given, you check the denominator. Check the denominator and see how many decimal places are there in the denominator. Accordingly, you multiply by 10, 100 or 1000. So that you remove the decimal place of the decimal point from the denominator. And same with the same number, you multiply the numerator also. Okay, and then you can proceed as usual like a division of a decimal by a whole number or a natural number. Okay, so next question we can see. Next one. It is 10:50 is your 9:50 is your time, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next number, it is 30.94. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Just tell me the answer. You can do it. Same thing, no? Divide by 10 decimal place, only one decimal place. Try this and tell me the answer, all of you. Write down the question. I want to see all of you doing it. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Find out and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 44.2.
Very good. Very good. Who said the answer?
Iron.
Irene. Very good. Good. Okay, let us check how she got it. Children, are you all doing? All are doing, no? Paul Hansel.
44.2, ma'am. 44.
Okay, very good. Okay, all are doing, no? Usepachan, Ashinanda, are you doing? Can I see your book?
Yes, ma'am.
When you place the camera, see that it is placed as if I can see your face as well as the book which you are doing. Okay, Ashinanda, show me what you have done. Show your book. Doing. Okay, Aaron Swami, you got the answer. Okay, let us check. Adus, are you doing? Are you doing? Yes. I don't want to see the back side of the book. I want to see the front page. Let me check whether you are doing or not. Okay, all of you should do. Listen. Look here. 30.94 divided by 7. So it comes like this. Divided by 0.7. Now with which number we will multiply the denominator?
Ma'am, 10. With
10. Numerator also by 10.
10.
Now I will shift this decimal one place as it is multiplied by 10. So it will become 309.4 divided by this will go to this
0,
one, and it becomes
7.0.
7.0 or 7. Simply 7. Now we have to divide this numbers. 3094 divided by 4. 7. 7 how many times in 30?
28.
4 times.
Four
isn't it?
times.
28.
4 times. Yes, 4.
Now remainder 2, 9. Then this also 7
Four times.
maximum how many
Four
times
times.
in 29? 4
Four times.
times. So we can write 28.
28.
Isn't it? Then
Yes,
here maximum you subtract 114. 7 how
Ma'am,
many times in
4
14? 2 times. So 14.
14.
Then 0 you will get as the balance. So our number we got, quotient we got is 442. So what is the decimal place here? Number of decimal places? 1.
1.
1. Isn't it? 1. So the final answer also will carry 1
1.
decimal place.
44.2.
44.2 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Irene, you got
Yes,
this
ma'am.
answer, no?
One more question.
You got this answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. I'll give you one more question. Okay, finished. All of you understood this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Next one we can see. Next question. It is 7.75 divided by 0.25. Find out. 7.75 divided by 0.25.
Ma'am, 0.31.
How much? What is the question? 7.75 divided by 0.25. What is the answer? Somebody said the answer.
0.31.
31. Isn't it? 31 you got. Okay, we will check.
Yes,
Any other
ma'am.
answer? Any other answer? Others, what is your answer?
Ma'am, when we do this, everything becomes a whole number, ma'am.
Oh, okay, no problem. We have to divide, that's all. Whole number means also no problem. You are dividing a decimal. Okay, no problem. You can divide easily then. That's all. Okay, anybody else got the answer? One answer is 31. Who said it?
Ma'am, Irene.
Okay. What about others? Safwan, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 310.
310 is your answer. Okay, another answer is 310.
Ma'am, this whole number.
Okay. What is, yes, nobody else got the answer. Hello. What about Aaron, Somi, Aaron?
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Ma'am,
31. Who said the answer? No? Ashinanda. Okay. Anybody else got the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's not Ashinanda, it's Shreya.
Shreya. What is your answer, Shreya?
31.
You are Shreya?
Ma'am, 31.
31. Okay, let us check what is the answer. 7.75 divided by 0.25. Okay.
divide by 10. 100.
How many decimal points are there in the denominator? How many decimal points?
2.
2. So with what number we have to multiply?
By 10. By 100.
By 100. By 100. Because
100.
2 decimal places are there. We have to remove it. Isn't it? So
Yes.
with 100 which carries 2 zeros. Okay. So numerator also you have to multiply by 100. Now while multiplying by 100, numerator will become what? 1. 2 decimal places it will jump and it will become 7 into 5.
7,
Then
7.
denominator also it will become 1. 2 places it will jump forward and it will become 25. So both are whole numbers, no problem. You can divide it easily. 775 divided by 25. 25 how many times in 77 children?
3 times.
3 times.
3
isn't it?
times.
So 2 into 25 into 3.
2 balance 5 down.
25 balance. 25 one time in 25. Answer 0. So answer is 31. Any decimal place in the question? No.
No, yeah.
So in the
No.
answer also no decimal place is needed.
Ma'am,
Clear?
I do 0 up to.
So answer is
You put the
31.
0 also.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is only 2 minutes. I'll take attendance and then stop. Okay.
Ma'am, you give one problem, we will do.
Yeah. Check the homework. You do this problem. Some problems we have not done, children, in exercise number 2.7. You know exercise 2.7 we are doing. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Do it as homework before the next period. Okay, before the next period. Children?
My next period I will be not there, ma'am.
Yes?
My next period I will be not there.
Okay, but do it, okay? Do
Okay.
it. Let me check, take attendance and then I have to wind up. It's time, children. Okay, so